Coming from the real world, having figured out my own financial situation, running businesses, asking successful friends or people I meet about their strategies and so on, there's one thing that is very different to what's on YouTube. Due to the algorithm, videos that work and get pushed have to fit into the ecosystem. That is, if a big YouTuber posts about a topic, then other people can post a video that is similar on the same topic and the algorithm pushes it. Problem with YouTube financial advice and business videos. There are proven strategies that basically just keep posting the same videos as bigger YouTubers and you will start to grow. It discourages original thought and instead encourages people to post videos about stuff they don't really know about. For example, some people I'm sure made a lot of money out of Amazon FBA. However, how many people who are in the YouTube finance or business niche post about this topic who clearly have not been doing it for any period of time, if at all? Instead, they just do it quickly so they can post a video about it. The same people then happen to have a print-on-demand strategy video and cover all the other basic topics. These people have never run a business or managed one and are making a few bucks off YouTube, but barely. But the algorithm will push someone with no idea what they are talking about other than watching someone else's video, then posting a quickly, slightly modified version of it that gets picked up in the algorithm. Do they have great titles and thumbnails? Sure. However, someone who has genuinely run a business, has hired and fired employees, has dealt with the banks and registering with foreign governments, has dealt with clients who love the company, then also dealt with clients who are angry because your new hire has stuffed up their order and so on. That person with unique content who has actually done it won't get pushed as hard by the algorithm, at least until they got really going. Big YouTubers can get successful by posting really unique stuff that they actually know about. But now there are all these minions who get into finance or business on YouTube because it has a high CPM, who have no knowledge on the topic and are just giving advice that they heard someone else talk about and regurgitate it 90% and it loses the message that the original person had. Now we have a situation where so many people think that business is just having a YouTube channel and selling products off your subscribers and viewers who are impressed by your Lambo or Ferrari. Rather than realizing that business is a long grind with a lot of work, the majority of businesses do not rely on their YouTube fans to get business. They have employees they have to manage and provide a salary for. They don't try to push you into quitting your job or making quick easy money on the latest fad for online easy money, because they know that working in a job is actually respectable and probably gives you a better return than most businesses. And even if you're really successful in business, you could also be really successful in a job. There are multi-millionaires driving around in Lambos who are actually employees, and driving a Lambo isn't even impressive. Most people on an average salary could readjust their spending to afford a Lambo, especially if you're single and don't have a family to pay for or real financial goals you're aiming for. You could rent the cheapest room in a shared house, then put all your salary into a monthly Lambo payment or join a car club that gives you access to luxury cars for a set amount of days per year. I'm all for trying and making it, but if you're going to be giving people advice, you should be striving for it yourself and have some experience behind what you're saying. Have your own opinions on why you should follow certain paths and don't encourage people to do something you have no idea whether it's actually worth it before making a video just because it's good for the algorithm. I'd love to see the algorithm reward originality over parroting stuff you don't know about. But sadly at this point, there are people gaining traction because they make videos for the algorithm rather than what they actually know about. Obviously it does make sense to make the algorithm work for you, but not when it comes to borderline dishonest behavior. If you're going to make a video about Amazon FBA, then by all means try it out and give a genuine honest review of your experiences. But don't make a video telling people that this is what you need to do or here are 6 easy steps to become successful when clearly you don't make your income from FBA or have success in making FBA a major income stream. Integrity always wins in the long run, and genuine advice is priceless.